Hello everybody. In this video I will be showing you how to find any negative binary value. I'm going to assume you guys know a little bit about binary numbers and what signifies them as being positive or negative, or when you'll need to use them, etc., etc. But let's say we wanted to find a negative 13. Well, the first thing we were going to want to do is start at a positive 13. And what identifies as a binary number being positive and negative is obviously this first. The MSB is going to be 0 when it's positive. We're going to want a 1 in this location, a 1 in this location, a 0, and a 1. And this is equal to, in decimal, positive 13. Now how do I know that? Obviously it's just 1 plus 4 plus 8, positive 13. Well, now that we know what the positive binary value looks like, from here just a couple easy steps and we can arrive at the negative value. Step 1 is to get this original value into what's known as its ones complement. And in doing that, it's rather simple. We're just going to change each value to its opposite. So starting at the MSB, or the most significant bit, we're going to change this to a 1. This 1 will change into a 0. This 1 will change into a 0. This 0 will change into a 1. This 1 will change into a 0. Now, and never mind this, this was just me showing the numbers changing. So this is what's known as its ones complement. From 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And ones complement by itself doesn't have too much practical application, but with one easy step, we're in 2's complement form, which will arrive us at our negative 13. So to arrive in 2's complement, we just add a 1. Right? Easy enough. So this arrives us with 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now again, I can't stress enough, this most significant bit right here, this lead 1, is what signifies this number being negative in certain scenarios. Just because if you're seeing binary numbers and the lead number is a 1, that doesn't always mean it's negative. It's just in certain situations in which you're looking specifically for a negative binary value, and that lead 1 is going to signify that this number is negative. So, and if you want to check your answer, this is something I just use, and they didn't teach me in engineering courses, is this lead 1, again I said it signifies that this value is negative. But what they don't really tell you is that 1 actually has a negative value. So we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. That 1, in a sense, is representing negative 16. And we were shooting for negative 13 though, so what do we do next? Oh, well, that's easy. The rest of these values are going to be considered positive. So we have a 1 and a 2. It's a positive 3. Now, hopefully you know your arithmetic. What does that equal? Negative 13. So, I don't recommend doing this just to find your negative value, because I assume there's going to be more than one ways to arrive at any negative binary number by subtracting positive numbers from a negative most significant bit, if that makes any sense. Hope I didn't confuse you on that. But again, just do the steps I've shown, convert your find your value, what you want. We want negative 13. So we start with a positive 13 in binary form. We add the 0 on the end of it, and the most significant bit to signify that this is negative. First step is the ones complement, which we just take the opposite of the original number. Second step is we add 1 to get it into our 2's complement, and boom, we're there. And if you want to be thorough, if you're on an exam, or if you're making a device that's going to save people's lives, and you want to just be thorough and double check your answer, this most significant bit that represents this number as being negative is a negative, add the remaining ones as positive values, and boom, you have your answer. I hope this video may have answered your questions or given you a couple pointers on how to arrive at negative binary values. Thanks, and see you in the next video.